a school.
My bed good. So me have to sleep long. Me can't jump up out of my bed after me no security.
These are signs where Jamaicans not really see. Let's get it. First up on the list. It don't make sense I didn't put this as I better I did just left you alone. You see it? Probably the would have pissed there. But you see find this there so? Oh God man. And 15 times a day them a come and one spot come piss. You see this here? Private property. No trespassing. Violators will be prosecuted. It don't make sense. Or if you put sign for our shortcut. Like if Migla our shortcut, alright, now Migla your property. You can't do that. Shortcut for me yard is right there. Me not gonna walk all the way around the road and then you what? Me not even me not obey this. Now this year's a lie. We wear the mask. Go through the building. But you see power pass the door. Hola. See that I go there, yes sir. Or sometimes yes sir. In other power face.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
how may I help
I'm trying to get the generator up top there, the 3000.
Up top? Which one exactly you talking
That
about?
one.
Oh, the one on the top shelf. So let me ask you a question. If you can't reach it, or you expect me to reach it?
No, I thought because you work
When
here,
you thought wrong, you blasted idiot. What you try to say? Home Depot hire super
No,
people?
sir, but because you work.
But how me to reach it? How you expect me to reach it?
Can you get somebody that can help
Nobody in here can reach it. None of we can reach it.
Alright, so how am I supposed to get it?
Go buy a ladder. Ladder sitting on the back of the store. Go buy a ladder and
Alright,
come
sir.
back, come reach it.
I just want to get.
Go buy a ladder and come out of the store. Come out of the store.
Mr. Tokoroko, you have been charged with common assault with gun and second degree murder. And the only way you can get away unless you tell what happened. You man not snitching at this no man born for this now you man hold it out on the bell. You will be getting 55 years imprisonment. I know you're dark. Man, 725. Tell him some credit. Yo, area. Yo, Kevin Brown.
Yo, my G, what going on?
Yeah. Oh, your name spell again?
Say sound so like, brother, what going on?
That one.
Yeah,
Yo, so you alone kill on the Saturday night round on the tree them
them boy don't get no funeral,
what going?
G. Them boy don't get no funeral. Them
Mad. Boy don't get no funeral.
Yeah, man.
But tell you right now, me not do them thing, man. And even me alone, you know. I know him alone, you know. I 8 more people, but me never unite. Yes, you know. Nothing.
Drop your pants.
Okay, but just a heads up, I'm a grower.
Oh my God.
What?
Get on the bed.
Yes, ma'am!
Man, I gas money. Damn, I can't send you gas money. Man, have the car again. To the car. It blow up. Damn, I can't come for you. I can't make it. You know, just say your car blow up. Me the night. That don't make no sense, my youth. Me dead. That if you don't want to go, just say so, man. Me no want to go.
Shamar. Yes, daddy. I just download Tinder and this girl that says she want to buy her one dress. Look on it. See it? Daddy, the girl asks, where is your address, where you live? And we are do pan Tinder, your mommy no still together. Your mother get too old, a young girl more. You a young girl and can't read. Oh, the bumbo.
You know me like you otherwise though.
Alright, the phone a break up.
You say you know I like you otherwise though.
Hello?
Auntie Dana?
Me not hear you well.
You hear me now?
No, it come like something. Father, see if internet a cut there.
Yeah, it's a cut out.
Yeah, internet a cut.
It's a cut out.
Internet a cut. Yeah. Me not hear me now. One other time when you call again, you hear me not hear you well, it look like something wrong.
Yes, you're not getting it.
You gotta tell me.
You're not. Let me put you on. You're not getting it. You can't give me one shirt. You cannot give me a shirt.
I should give me my blouse.
It's shirt.
I said give me my blouse.
It's shirt. Give me hat too.
What's that?
This.
Beauty, give me hat.
And you can't give me one hat.
I said it's a beauty, give me hat.
What is the S and beauty? Then give me something now. You You not get it, man. You're too mean.
What dangerous?
When it black like this, it kill you. It's strong.
Yes,
it is strong. It's black.
Jesus.
So you say you
Christ.
top smoke.
We can't manage this, Ross.
Go get to fed. For
Yeah.
fed are dead.
Fed.
Already.
Me need
You
fire.
know, take out them the finger there because you can't manage your finger.
I'm on them, I go do my nail, don't have my nail test.
So you go do them over back?
Chala.
Why?
I celebrity, you know, where you
So you have to, you are celebrity, so you have to put on the finger them.
And the eyelash.
So you go put on, so where you going to do with your ear?
When we have to start here.
Eh? That style of fit, you still in no, me not lie.
Avatar.
And the avatar.
How much percent do you feel like you deserve out of your man paycheck?
Yeah, 60-70.
No.
Scheme back in fear for the work.
Equal blood clot, you too. National Cars of Jamaica. First panelist, we got the National Taxi. The Pro Box. You don't know? Then, we have the Fronty Taxi Man car. Watch now. No good as can tell me say they never drive now one of them. Then, we have the Axio. I don't know why the girl them love off the Axio man them. But look at me need to get one.
Yeah. Them two dirty brother here when you know them syllables, you know. What you call family? Syllables. 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 What you call family, Joma? Syllables. What you call family? Syllables. Them you know them syllables. Eh?
No.
Syllables. Siblings. Siblings. Eh?
Take off your seatbelt. Bad man no drive with seatbelt. But what you indicate for? Don't ever use your indicator. Never make a next man know your next move. Lock off that. If you turn left, just turn left. If you turn right, just turn right. Fire upon the indicator. But why you slow down for?
Yeah, because the light just turned yellow.
That means speed up before it turn red. Drive, speed up, speed up. Never slow down on a yellow light. Speed up before it turn red. Where you stop for? Where you stop for?
Yeah, people are passing.
You see the pedestrian crossing sign right here, sir?
Oh,
alright, then drive the car. Drive the car. Okay,
Rebel, I start.
When the people that used to come to me and tell me, say, oh no boss, bad mind, no.
Richie, I won't tell her that.
Pretty caller.
Richie, remember me company team last year and know shit about me.
How much years now we have for Team Spice?
4 years me I work with Spice.
You have some money now, share right in. Who deal with the money part?
And me deal with the money in a Team Spice.
What is the people them I say?
Tell me, say, oh no, not gonna US yet.
Me no own embassy, me no have no links out of embassy.
2020, and why you cause this?
Have a Canada visa on no book, is me gonna get it.
Gracie, you do for we, and we do for you too.
England visa on no book, is me gonna get it.
So TC, you never tell me all of this?
Now what I need for do? Open my passport and show me say Spice give me the whole of the visa them in my book.
Pretty, you got embassy, you never tell me say you got embassy and them turn you down.
Why when you attack it, you know say, see him where you...
When that happen? You know it? Cutie man, I'm going to talk to you. If you go, yeah man, go on. Alright.
Who is you? Say down the name. You just come and sit down and stare.
Why? The boy style me. But guess what? He's not gonna make you do. When you go over there to him and act like your belly are hurt, you see? And tell him say you want a call to call your mother. But guess what? You know, and mommy I call you, go ring my phone. So me can get your number. Alright. Sir, me tell you, I heard me can't
What happened to you?
Hey, my girl. How are your name? I know me you talk to. I could have never me you talk to you. Now where you interrogate me for? I know you say I try first. Me I say about them place. And me I say you look kinda unique, so make me shout you and thing. Oh well, my name is Avocado, but most people call me Pear. What you name? Oh, me name Bulla, you know. Just Bulla? No man, first name Ginger, last name Bulla. Oh, so where are the later? Listen, I am not that kind of peer. No man, no farmer hanky panky or nothing. I just want look a party I keep on me I say. And I saw me play, I invite you and thing. Oh. Who else I got the day? You know say bun I got the day, cheese I got the day, tough crackers and tea. I guess you can come pick me up later. Alright then, so it's a date. So we'll see you later then. So later I'm gonna pick you up, you see me? Alright, Bulla.